Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could hit a huge fitness goal, a major milestone, every single day, and all in the time it takes to watch your favorite sitcom? Seriously. Today we're going to dive into a super simple but incredibly powerful workout that makes that exact thing a reality.
We've all been there, right? You look down at your fitness tracker, you see that big 10,000 step goal staring back at you, and you just think, when on earth am I supposed to do that? With work, family, just everything, it can feel absolutely impossible. So the big question is, where do you even start?
Well, what if the solution was something you could do without even leaving your house? I'm talking right in your own living room. Turns out there's a workout that was designed specifically to tackle this exact problem.
And here it is. It's called the 2-mile milestone. And honestly, the name says it all. It's all about hitting a really clear, super achievable target that actually makes a real difference in your day. The whole idea behind this thing is efficiency. It's totally designed to give you the biggest possible fitness impact for the least amount of your time. Maximum bang for your buck.
Okay, so what does this workout actually involve? Let's get right into it and break it down by the numbers.
First up, the distance. We're talking 2 miles. That's a really solid number, right? It feels like a genuine accomplishment when you're finished. And get this, those 2 miles, they translate to roughly 4,000 steps. Think about that for a second. For so many of us, that's a massive chunk of our daily goal, and it's all knocked out in one single focus session.
And now for the real game changer. All of that, the 2 miles, the 4,000 steps, you get it all done in just 30 minutes. 30 minutes. That's it. That's less time than it takes to watch an episode of pretty much any show on Netflix. It makes the whole thing feel so achievable.
But hold on, it's not just about hitting a certain number of steps. The real magic here, what makes this workout so effective, is the quality and the intensity of those steps. This is so much more than just a casual stroll around the block.
So the technique we're talking about here is called power walking, and you can just think of it as walking with a purpose. It's a brisk, aerobic pace, the kind that actually gets your heart rate up. We're not talking about that leisurely, oh, let's go window shopping kind of pace. Nope, this is intentional, powerful movement. And this really breaks down the difference, doesn't it? A traditional stroll is great, it's relaxing, but it's pretty low intensity. A power walk, on the other hand, is a real aerobic exercise. It's faster, it's way more energetic, and it's specifically designed to improve your fitness.
So what's the big takeaway from all of this? Really, it comes down to shifting our perspective, changing how we think about fitting fitness into our day.
See, instead of trying to find little pockets of time for steps throughout a crazy, chaotic day, you just make time for one single 30-minute session that gets a huge chunk of it done. It becomes this powerful anchor habit in your daily routine.
And that really leaves us with one final thought, doesn't it? I think we often really underestimate the power of a focused 30-minute commitment. So the real question I want you to think about is this. If you dedicated just 30 minutes each day to hitting a guaranteed fitness milestone, what could that really change for you?